Hello and welcome to my channel.
In this video we will see how to replace the battery on Xiaomi Mijia Quartz watch. Okay, the first thing to do is take down the straps. Conveniently, here are two small levers you can pull to release the strap, and it should be pretty easy. Then you need a small screwdriver in order to lift the lid. As you can see, there is a small notch where you can insert the screwdriver. The battery can be removed in similar fashion. There is a small opening in which you insert screwdriver and just push. Now, what we'll need is a CR2430 battery. Since I have various Xiaomi sensors and devices, I have at least 3 or 4 different types of these flat batteries at home, but I didn't have this one yet. This battery should, according to Xiaomi, last you around 6 months, and in my experience it will be longer than that, like 7 or 8 months if you don't use vibrations for notifications, since they are too weak anyway. Okay, putting the battery in is the easiest part. Be sure to press gently but firmly. Then you need to close the lid. Watch out for orientation, since the lid also contains a small notch that should be aligned with the notch on the base. Also, I'd suggest to use some not too hard surface because you need to apply considerable pressure in order to close the lid so it clicks into place. Return the straps and that's it. You're okay to go for the next 6 months. I mean, this is for the hardware part at least. The software part was a bit confusing, at least for me. I thought that it would just connect to the phone and sync the time, but this is not the case. I even tried changing the time on the watch and returning it to Central European time, but that didn't help either. The thing is that since the phone has no information where the hands are, you'd need to do manual hand synchronization. You just tell it where the hour hand is and where the minute hand is, and it syncs. You can also sync the steps hand too, and that's it. If you haven't seen my video review of this watch, both black and white, please browse my videos and have a look. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like my channel, please subscribe.